Hi, my name is Kumar Ratnam, and I'm going to be talking about our Sprint 3 and what we were able to accomplish. So as you can look at our target board, you can see the 3 user stories that we wanted to accomplish in the sprint. In the first one, we want to be able to create a way for a lab tech to log into the system, have their own password, their username, etc. We also wanted the lab tech to then be able to upload data into the system and store that data into the MongoDB server. Lastly, we wanted to be able to access the virtual sensor network for test data. This is from like a developer point of view. So I can show you how the lab tech user would be able to add themselves to the system. So if we go to our localhost 5000, we can see that this is a regular username and password login for a general user. But if you're a lab tech user, you can go and log in through here. And now we're on the lab tech login page, and we can add ourselves. So I can create a 123 password 123. And I can register myself on the system. Okay. So flow user 123. Yeah. So now I can upload data. And this is specific to the lab tech. So I can also log out. And now over here. Okay, so once I'm logged in, let me show you how we can upload data. We can do that through the lab tech upload. Okay, so let me show you how we can actually upload data into the system. So you can see over here when the lab tech upload page, and now we can select a file that we want to upload. So we'll go in here, and let me select the test readings.csv, open it, and when I click submit, it will actually show you what all the readings look like before you submit it. You can see over here, you can see all the information, the sample ID, sensor ID, read date. And before I submit it, let me show you what we have over here. So as you can see, we have 144 readings in our reading database. Then when I go and I hit send, it uploads it all. And then we can submit something again, but then I go over here, we have 151. So it uploads it to the database automatically. It parses the CSV file and adds everything as a reading element. Okay, the last user story in our sprint was for the virtual networks page. This page basically is like a control page for managing data sources. This will allow you to basically type in a URL into a text field and submit it, and then monitor the sensors from there. So let me show you how we can do that. First, let me start up our server. Let me log in. Then I can go to the virtual networks page. Before that, I should start up the virtual network, virtual server. I can do that with this command right here. And then I need to add the URL that I want to monitor, this one. Add that. I can start simulation, and then this right here should be updated with the server readings from that URL. Yep, so there you go. You can see it being updated, and